Welcome to my video. Today, I have something that which is I don't know. As you can see right now, this is my laptop with Windows 11. Really good. I have games. So this is the BNG drive. This is the Roblox. This is Minecraft. And by the way, for the take army teach channels, which I have the scratch for the army teach channels. Like what the heck? And by the way, this is and you what even is this video? Is this actually a technology channel? So we've got games like we've got games like this BNG Drive, Roblox Player, and we have Minecraft. But did you know that you can download mobile games for free? And this is how you do it. So go to Chrome. Hold up. So step one, go to Chrome, search BlueStacks. Go to the website. Click on this download. But I already have it, so here. Open this. But I think this is not this one. Welcome to BlueStacks. And you can this is software named BlueStacks. And we have and you can play Android games for free. And I have like these games. Like some of these games. If you want a mobile app in your computer, if you want to download a mobile app in your computer, then just download this. This is all good. As you say, I have these two Spurkies. I don't know. We have the video editing, this KineMaster Drawbricks. I have so this is the game named Drawbricks. I will make that commentary. This this gaming this commentary will come soon. The Drive X, which is I have made it, which is I already made the video. We also got this Pyramix, which is I'm not making that video. And we also have this logo brick train, which is I'm gonna do it. So how to download apps? As you can see, all the apps, mobile apps, like the system apps. So you can make where the photos and the videos goes in here. You can also just add a video right here. Are you sure you want to use it? Okay. And we've got everything we need. We've got App Center. We can also just search games and apps. We also got some popular games underneath that you can just play on, that you can just download and play. By the way, hold up. By the way, and by the way, that's all. So this is what's the end of the video. But before I end the video, I'm just gonna do something right now. Hold up. Oh my gosh, it's vibrating. Okay. I will just okay. Okay, what else? Okay, so we've got game controls, on screen controls, opacity controls. Let me just turn this on. The control editor. Okay. Okay, so we've got this is the almost this. By the way, this is all the thing with about this BlueStacks. Now's the time to close this. And also, we've also got another BlueStacks. By the way, as you can see, this is the another one, and this one shows a lot of games. There's like a lot. This is what the games we have. What the heck? Radix. Okay, so okay. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Peace.